With the region being one of the fastest growing municipalities in Ontario, the registry is a proactive step to ensure transparency and accountability surrounding our lobbying activities as the region continues to grow and the potential for lobbying continues to rise. The Lobbyist Registry provides a public record of lobbyists who lobby to our regional council and our senior leadership staff outside of our regular council, committee, and public meetings. The registry really helps promote accountability, transparency, fair decision-making practices, and can really help build trust in our community. One of the most common questions that we receive is regarding a specific activity, if it's advocacy or if it's lobbying. Advocacy aims to raise awareness and drive social and political change by influencing public policy or public opinion. Lobbying, on the other hand, has a more targeted and focused approach to influence legislation or a decision with a business or financial interest in mind. Unfortunately, lobbying is often perceived negatively due to concerns that special interests influence government decisions behind closed doors. However, the truth is, lobbying is quite essential as it provides our public officials with diverse perspectives, expertise, and information that can really help benefit our community. If you would like to learn more or register for an information session, you can check out our website at regionofwaterloo.ca/lobbyistregistry.